how to create a Wise account. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's just get started. I over here have the Wise app over here. So I'm going to simply click on open. And once I'm here inside of the app, this is how it will look like. So you can just see all this, right? But simply just be on this page over here where you can either click on login, register, or on iPhone, sign in with Apple. On your Android, it might say sign in with Google. But I'm simply just going to click on register. So click on there. And here we have to enter our email address. So I'm going to do that real quick. Make sure that you have, of course, access to this email address. Once you have clicked on continue, it says check your email. Follow the link in the email we send to your email. The email can take up to 1 minute to arrive. So this is what the email will look like. So simply click on confirm email address. It says email confirmed. So then it automatically went to the next page in the app. So here we have to decide what kind of account we would like to open. So we can either open a personal account or business account. So a personal account is to simply send, spend, and receive money. And a business account is to do business or freelance work internationally. So if you own a business and you need to manage it, or you do freelance work, then you have to go with a business account, or else simply just go with a personal account. In this case, for me, I'm going to go with a business account. So here we have to select where we are located. This process is the same for a personal account as well. Here we have to verify our phone number. So the country code should already be correct, but let's say you live or your business is in my case, the Netherlands, but your phone number is from, for example, the UK, then please change that over here as well. Once you have verified your phone number, simply create a password. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So then here we can turn on security notifications. So I would recommend that since it's a banking app. So that's quite nice to have some extra security. So simply click on allow. And then I can also set up my Face ID, which I'll do as well real quick. Just for some extra security, you know. So then Face ID is on as well. So right here, you have to set up your Wise business account. So this can take about 20 minutes. You need to fill in information about your business, as well as a photo ID and the opening fee of 50 euros. So you can do that right now, or you can also just go back and do that later. If you have a personal account, this process is probably different anyways. But here in the home section, we can now see all this. So what is all this about? Well, currently we have no currency in our account. So what can we do? We can add another currency to our account by clicking here on the plus icon. If you click on here, it says get started with balances. So hold and convert 50 plus currencies, receive money from abroad. So simply click on let's go. And here we need to select the currency which we want to add, right? So I'm simply just going to add euro and then click on continue. And then once again here, in order to receive this money or even send the money, we need to fill in our information about where our business is located and stuff like that. So here you have to do that. So you have to just select all this, even your address. So here you need to tell them more about your business. So yeah, they need this information. And then here we need to finish setting up our account. So select your currency. Then here you have to enter your full name and everything. And then the last step you need to do is to verify your identity with an ID card or a passport, or even a driver's license. So yeah, once you've done all that, that is pretty much it. Then you are done. So that is how to create Wise account.